Question number 27 now, that's elastic collision. So, right, they have given two situations, right? The first situations A and B have same masses, but they are moving at opposite direction. And A is moving at 3 meters per second right hand side, B is moving left hand side 2 meters per second, right? So they're asking after collisions what are the two velocities are, right? At the same time, they have given under second situation. The second situation, both masses are not equal, right? A 2 kilogram, B is 1 kilogram, but both having the same velocities, right? Right hand side 3 and left hand side 2. So they're asking after collisions what are the velocities, right? Am I ප්‍රත්‍යක්ෂ ගැටලුවක්? ගැටලුවේ කියන කිලෝග්‍රෑම් දෙක දකුණු පැත්තට තුනකුත් කිලෝග්‍රෑම් දෙකක් වම් පැත්තට දෙකකුත් යන සමාන ස්කන්ධ දීලා ගැටුණට පස්සේ ප්‍රවේග කොහොමද? වෙනස් ස්කන්ධ තිබ්බොත් කිලෝග්‍රෑම් දෙකක් සහ එකක්. ඊට පස්සේ ගැටුණට පස්සේ ප්‍රවේග මොනවද කියලා අහනවා, right? Let's see, right? Let's analyze the question. It's pretty easy question, right? As I always says, right? These are right really easy questions. Okay, Lamai, right? Let's see what are the how to get the answers. Okay, right? This is the question, right? Let's focus on the first situation. This is the second situation, right? Again, situation. What is the first note? Keep in mind, make a note. What is that? Always when the masses are equal, right? No need to write the lengthy notes, right? No need any big calculations, right? There's a short method. What is that? Always velocities are interchange. Let's see, 3 and 2 is coming like this. After collisions, 2 come to this, 3 goes to other side. මේක හරි සරලයි. මොකද ස්කන්ධ සමාන වුණොත් අපි ප්‍රවේග දෙක කොහොමාරු වෙනවා. A වල තිබ්බ 3 B වලට ගන්නවා. ඒ right B වල තිබ්බ 2යි මිශ්‍රණ එක A වලට යනවා දිශාවත් සමග. That's why I have make a note here. What is that? Velocities are interchanged with right same direction. They are directions. Because why? 2 is left hand side, still 2 is left hand side. 3 is right hand side, still 3 is right hand side. That is the important point. Right, not only opposite direction, right? If you are having the same mass in same direction, right? Let's say right same mass is in same direction. After collision, what will happen? These two velocities are interchanged. The same, right? For example, 3 and 2. What will happen? It will take 2 and 3. Right? That is the right. So, right, first answer, right? We can do the mind calculations. Therefore, what is V1? What is V2? Right. So 3 to equal masses. It becomes left hand side 2A, right hand side 3B. But they are asking this side direction velocities. නමුත් ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා ඒගොල්ලෝ අහන්නේ මේ දිශාවට තියෙන ප්‍රවේග මොනවද? Okay, A is left hand side 2. Therefore, right, V1 should be right hand side minus 2. The A තියෙන right A තියෙන වම් පැත්තට දෙකක් නමුත් අපෙන් අහන්නේ ප්‍රශ්නේ. Right, what is the right hand side velocity? දකුණු පැත්තට තියෙන ප්‍රවේගය. So you have to say minus 2. එනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ කියන්න ඕනේ ඍණ දෙකක් තියෙනවා. Right, B is right hand side 3. They are asking also right hand side. Now the V2 should be 3. Okay, so we need the first part. Second part, right, when the masses are not equal, we can't simply get the answer. What we have to do is we have to write conservation of momentum and we have to write conservation of energy. This ස්කන්ධ අසමාන අවස්ථාවේ මොකද කරන්න තියෙන්නේ? අපිට right ශක්ති සංසිඳනියවත් right ගම්‍යතා සංසිඳනීය කියන දෙකම දාන්න වෙනවා. යොදන්න වෙනවා. Okay, so let's try to apply conservation of momentum. අපි right ගම්‍යතා සංසිඳනීය දාමු. Right 2 into plus 3 minus 1 into plus 2. Okay, මේ ගම්‍යතා සංසිඳනීය right you have to consider right the direction. Right, when you apply conservation of momentum, you have to consider direction. But in energy equation, there is no plus minuses. හොඳට මතක තියාගන්න. right ගම්‍යතාවයට දාන්න දැම්මට ශක්තියට දාන්න නැහැ. කෙලින්ම දාන්න පුළුවන් අගය. So right equals 2 into V1 plus 1 into V2. So if you subject V2 equals 4 minus 2 V1, as you can see in the equation. ඉතින් මේකේ V2 උත්තර කරොත් 4 ඍණ 2යි V1 කියලා. Conservation of energy, the second part. In Abhidham Shakti Sansini, right? Half mv squared, half mv is 2v is 3 squared equals half mv squared, half mv is 1, 2, right? Velocity is 2 squared. The other side, right? You can see the expression, right? 2 into v1 squared, 1 is to v2 squared. The Auatralia में शक्ति संसिद्ध आदि में समीकरण right? में थिया आगे अनुल्टा. So if you simplify this, right, you will get the right. You will get the equation as 22 equals right 2v1 squared plus v2 squared. What I am going to do now, right? What I am going to do now, I have already calculated the v2 value, right? I have already subject v2 as 4 minus 2v1. I am going to subject here. I am going to cancel v2. मम्मी मुकाल ना मैं कराने. मैं भागा तो v देगा v कैंसिल ले रहा v देगा cancel कर रहा, right? नहीं कर रहा. And if you simplify this, you will get the nice equation, quadratic equation. What is that? 3v1 squared minus 8v1 minus 3 equals 0. If you take the factors, what are the factors? 3v1 plus 1 into v1 minus 3. Therefore, v1 equals minus 1 over 3. Oh, v1 equals 3. But v1 can't be 3. Right? Why? Initially also 3. Can it be again 3? Keep in mind, it can't be happen. Right? It can't be happen. Therefore, I can't take v1 right as 3. That's why I have just cut it. v1 Therefore, obviously, v1 should be minus 1 over 3. v1 can be anivari. Right? Minus 1 over 3. Right hand side plus 1 over 3. Left hand side plus, right? Right? Because I have taken minus towards right. And if it's left, it should be plus 1 over 3. Right? Because right then v1 equals 1 or minus 1 over 3, I can substitute here and get the v2 answer. v2 equals 14 over 3. Right? Right? It should be 14 over 3. Right? Therefore, v1 is minus 1 over 3, v2 is 14 over 3. And if you analyze the answer should be answer number 3. It's pretty easy question now. Thanks for watching.